So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, when I have no video ideas, I came up with this idea. Example solves guys, example solves. So I will be giving you a total of 5 example solves, and if you want to follow up with us, so you can find the every scramble link in the description, so you can follow me and try to find a nice solution, like a solution better than me. So yeah, so by the way, this example solves video for who want to be sub 20 right now, who are planning to be sub 20. They average around 25 or 30 seconds around that time mark, and want to get to sub 20. So this is for them. And for those who are like sub 10 or something, then you might critique this for free. I'm not giving any money for that. So yeah, so this is the first scramble, and make sure you do the scramble white in top and green on front. So okay, so in our cross solution, so what are we going to do? So this solve this piece is at the back, the opposite center, and we can insert this right here, and we will insert this right here like this, and then put it with it. So if you haven't watched my advanced class tutorial, watch that right there, and we make a cross in less than 3 or 2 seconds. So let's start. So the solution I'm gonna do is, first I'll do a F move, then I'll do a R prime to fix this. So these two are now solved. Then I will do another F move, then I will move this piece over here. So when I insert this will also get inserted or something, whatever you can call it, and do that. And yeah, your first pair, your cross is made. And while your cross is made, you have a very easy first pair. So you can just do a D2 and then solve these two like very easily. Just do this, this, and this. And while looking at that solve, you can find these two pairs. So yeah, you can do them pretty easily like that, and then insert them at the back like this. And then you can see these two pairs right there. So we'll move this, and now see the case and do the algorithm insert at the back like this. And now you have this case, so I'll do it like this, and then I do to look OLL for now. So yeah, that, and then the A bomb. Yeah, that's basically it. For your second solve, the cross is a pretty bad case, and like this is getting looby with the lube inside this cube. So the cross solution is a bit hard, but yeah, you can probably get a nice solution from it. So what I'm gonna do, you have a pair right here, and I don't want to waste this, so I'll hold the cube like this and just move the R layer top, and then move the D layer like this, so I can put red in its spot. Put that there, and then I will move the D layer again, so I can put it in this spot, and then move the D layer twice, so I can put blue. And then cross is made, and our first F12 pair like that. And then we have this pair, so you have to rotate for this. So I just rotate it like this and solve it like this. And you have this, so you can probably do that move. And yeah, so you can now do this at the back, and you get an OLL skip, which is nice, and then the white. So for third solve, the cross is not that great this time also. So these two pieces are pretty nice. This is in the place, but this piece is creating the mess. So I'll just get rid of this in the first move. So what I will do, I will just hold the cube like this, white center, green center in the front, and move this piece over, and then put it back in its spot and move that over. And then these two pieces are very easy like this, and that's basically a cross. And now for the F12 pair, I see these two pairs right away, so I just move that there, and then do that and insert it at the back. Okay, then I see these two pairs. So these two pairs are pretty good for me. And now this, and now I can see no pairs, so I can just see these pieces. So I just move that here and do that like that, and then do this like that, and the OLL like that, and so I'll do the lefty version of this as because I have not learned that thing. So yeah, do the egg, and that's pretty much it for the solve. For the fourth solve, its process solution is very easy, I say. So yeah, so I'll hold the cube like this. So I'll move the right layer back. So insert this and like this. And while I insert this gets into the right position. Insert that by the F move. Now do a D2 and then solve these tools. So right away I can just see a pair, which is these two. So I'm going to just move that here and insert that at the back, and these two. So I'm not going to cube rotate, I'm just going to insert them by a sledgehammer. And now these two. So anyway, I have to rotate at that time. So now these two. So I can just skip a U move and do like that, and the OLL itself. And lastly this PLF. Why are ads so hard to do in camera? Can't you tell? Like I am not in the position of doing speed solves though. Yeah. For the last solve, like this solve is actually the real scramble because see the pieces. What? So here I am doing something different which nobody does, I think. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just move the green like this, insert it like this, and insert the red here, right here, and then insert the blue and insert the orange. And you might be thinking, yeah, you screwed up. But no, I just do M2U to M2 to fix that. And I think that's a nice solution in a limited time of inspection. So yeah, now I'll just see this pair right away. So do that like this, and now I saw these two, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, so just do that, and now I see these two, so I just rotate and do that and that. Have to do a rotation, and then the OLL and PLL is pretty straightforward with the J-palm. Yeah, so that's basically all the solves, and my desk is getting a bit looby, so I have to clean that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, a like. So let's target it for 20 likes this time. So I'm gonna do another series of example solves for 4x4 if I am good at 4x4. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. See you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe.